to make your own happy chef pizza. It's gonna make you very happy in the
Let's do
tummy. Use the flour and water to make the pizza dough. To make your dough rise, open the yeast and add half of its contents to the dough. Time to turn the dough into pizza crust. Carefully lift the dough with both hands and give it a good spin as you toss it in the air. For a zesty homemade sauce, chop a clove of garlic and add an onion into a skewer. When things start to sizzle, add the tomato. To be sure it's right, hold it up to eye level and a squeeze. Time to top up your masterpiece with the topping. Cheese, mushrooms, sausage. Put your pie in the oven, set your timer, and congratulations, pizza!
Sandwichi, sausage, mushroom, black patty, hot dog, bread, Coca-Cola, the popcorn. I prefer the tomato, baby cheese, burger, Coca-Cola, supply. Blackberry, blueberry, fake ice cream, milk. Princess Cream, Twinkie Star, Granite Set, Emoji.